Hello, hello, hello. I'm kind of tired today, but I'm going to make a quick white clam pasta. It's going to be made out of oyster mushrooms. So I've got some olive oil here. And I'm not going to be on long. So if you catch me, you catch me. If you miss me, you miss me. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and put some oyster mushrooms in. Sauteing those. This is a little higher than I want it to be, so I'm going to turn it down. I don't want the parsley to go in there yet, but it's in there, so that's fine. I'm making what will appear to be white clam pasta, but it's actually oyster mushrooms. Okay? One of my easy, quick dishes. You cut the tips of the oyster mushrooms, and if you cut the bottom parts, cut them very, very small so that you have this. Now let's put some garlic in. Okay, fresh chopped garlic. I'm gonna put that in. I'm going to put most of this garlic in, but I have some I'm going to top it with. So I'm not going to put it all in, but this is a big garlicky dish, right? We're mimicking white clam sauce. All right, now I'm going to take some water and some mushroom seasoning. If I had dry white wine, I would use that, but I don't. And I don't have my microphone on today. I hope you can hear me all right. I'm kind of tired, so I don't feel like doing all of that. Okay, so this is mushroom seasoning and water. I'm going to put that in there. We can turn this back up now. And I got my pasta cooking over here. There we go. So we can go ahead and put all the parsley in. It's a quick dish. Does not take long. Parsley in. And the last bit of my garlic and mushrooms, I'm going to take that all off my board. Make sure it all goes in here. Okay. Now, this dish also gets some red pepper flakes and some fresh lemon. If I had dry white wine, I would put it in there, but I don't have any today. So we're not going to do the dry white wine. I'm going to put some pepper flakes in there. I'm going to lower this because I don't want all my juice to cook out. I got an organic lemon here. I'm going to zest it. And I'm going to juice it. I'm going to put this all the way on low. So to zest it means we're going to get the lemon oil out of the skin by scraping it. And get that. Pasta over here looks like it's about done. We keep scraping our lemon. This is a giant lemon. Organic. And if you haven't followed me, make sure you follow, because if you want vegan recipes like this, I pretty much veganize anything. I've been doing it on live stream over here. And if you are not following me, you might miss when I come on. But if you are following me, you'll probably get a notification. Okay. So I'm going to take my lemon. And I'm just going to use this to juice it. You really could juice it with anything. I do have an official juicer, but I just don't feel like pulling it out. So I'm just putting a knife in there, squeezing around, getting the juice out. So I got lemon zest, I got oyster mushrooms, parsley and garlic and olive oil. I'll juice this one. Get those seeds out. Just putting a knife in there and letting the juice. See, I got some seeds. All right. So our pasta is done. So there's my sauce. And I got this pasta here that's been boiling. And you're supposed to put a little pasta water in it so it adheres. So I just kind of pull it up like this and pull it inside. I don't drain it all the way. And then I just start mixing it. And you know what? I forgot. This also calls for butter. Let me get some vegan butter. So a little vegan butter as well. There we go. And just let that melt in there.